Hey, let's take a little listen here. I'm parked at the bottom of a general, excuse me, portion of 40 meters. Um, Check it out. Now, I could go a little farther up to the 70-40, and, I could decode that guy. Listen to this shit, man. It's like, really? You know what, man? I busted the chops of the digital heads on this channel. Well, the RTTY heads they're just digital heads too. They just use a different signaling scheme. And you know what, man? There's a couple minor contests happening, RTTY contests, and I say minor. Well, yeah. So you know what, man? I'm trying very hard. You know what, man? If you're into RTTY and you're operating in this contest anywhere near 7.040, you're an idiot. You know what? Well, I shouldn't say that. I apologize. You're probably very intelligent. But you're being inconsiderate. Is there no human decency left anywhere on Earth? Even at the bottom of 40 meters on a ham band for people that are into Morse code in the year 2020? Really? Are we being squeezed out like tribesmen in the Amazon? Sure feels like it. Kind of feels like I'm being treated like a Trump supporter, which I am, and I can't wait till November 73. You know, I had to add something on here because I expect a comment or two, which is fine. Cover any sensitive ears, please. Well, I'm a really reasonable guy, man. I really am. I'll move aside for contests, for God's sake. I mean, come on, let's be for real. But getting down to 70-40 now, things are squeezing in a little tight for the general class op because, I've had a comment, oh, just go find somewhere else. Well, there's only one where to go for the general class CW op from there down during this contest. He can only go down to 70-25, So 70-25 to 70-40, is that a reasonable comment? Let him go find somewhere else. Hell, he's got 300 kilohertz. No, he doesn't. If he's a general class ham, he most certainly does not have 300 kilohertz that he can legally use. And B, is it reasonable to expect somebody to just move away and enjoy his 15 kilohertz of 40 meters? Does that seem reasonable to you? Do RTTY contest ops suck? A lot of them do. I just heard it. Didn't you?